Business owners, entrepreneurs, and professionals, are you ready to turn every conversation into an opportunity? A powerful elevator pitch isn't just a one-size-fits-all script. It's your key to opening doors, whether you're speaking to an investor, a potential client, or a strategic partner. The right message at the right time can make all the difference in closing a deal. That's why I want to personally invite you to an exciting SCORE Winning in Business workshop and networking event on Friday, March 21st. Located at the National Bank of Arizona, 6001 North 24th Street. The doors will open at 8:30 a.m. sharp. This isn't just another networking event. It's an interactive, hands-on business training session where you learn how to craft an elevator pitch that works. And more importantly, how to turn every opportunity into a sale. You don't want to miss this. Join me and fellow successful entrepreneurs for this powerful session. Come ready to network, learn, and leave with strategies that will help you grow your business. Spots fill up fast, so register now. Click on the link below. I'll see you there.